Don't talk about people. Talk with people if you have issues with someone or something. Confront the issues directly to resolve it. If this doesn't work, take it to your leader. Don't hold a grudge and let it linger. Remove the wedge. Action.
If you were if you were gossip, how do you handle it?
What do you mean by gossip?
It's when somebody talks about you in your back.
Well, first, if I found out that they were gossiping behind my back, I would report them or something like that.
Is that all?
Yes.
Why is communicating how we feel is important?
Because if you don't communicate on how you feel, then it might lead to other problems. And then it might make the reason that you want to talk to someone even worse.
All right. Why is it important to not hold a grudge?
Because if you hold a grudge with someone like your friend too long, you might not be friends with them after like a few months. Like you might start to float apart and the relationship between you and your friend will never seal.
All right, that's all.
Cut. Fundamental number 3. Call the meeting.